At the intersection of education, community, and law enforcement, the Harris-Stowe State University's urban policing program is redefining what it means to serve and protect. Our historically Black university has long been a beacon of opportunity and progress. Today, it stands at the forefront of critical conversations surrounding urban policing and community relations. In 2014, as Ferguson unrest overshadowed the St. Louis region, Harris-Stowe's students, faculty, and staff strategically mobilized to engage the community. Together with strategic partners, Harris-Stowe hosted a national education forum for high school students, workshops for school counselors, and think tanks to develop solutions that would have a measurable imprint on police accountability, transparency, and the relationship with minority communities. The urban policing program was formed to address gaps in minority relations with law enforcement, provide access to law enforcement training on an HBCU campus, and navigate a pipeline for high school and college students to start careers in law enforcement agencies. With a college credit transfer process for law enforcement officers, participants could be eligible for up to 27 credit hours towards a degree in criminal justice after completing their academy training. This encourages degree attainment and provides opportunities for officers and college students to connect with a common thread of education. The Urban Policing Program contains two key initiatives: the Law Enforcement Training Academy and the Urban Policing Youth Academy.
The Urban Policing Youth Academy is a collaborative partnership between Harris-Stowe and the St. Louis Metropolitan Police Department. The Youth Academy gives high school-age students an opportunity to explore the potential of a career in law enforcement. The students are given hands-on experience in a wide range of aspects of law enforcement career, like evidence technicians, K-9 units, aviation units, and the criminal justice process. This program creates a positive impact for the student even after the program is finished. It gives its participants an identifiable next step and a clear opportunity to start a career. Whether it's continuing education at Harris-Stowe, enrolling in the St. Louis Metropolitan Police Department's cadet program, or applying to the Police Academy.
The Law Enforcement Training Academy was launched in 2022 through a partnership with Lincoln University and the St. Louis Sheriff's Office.
The Lincoln University Law Enforcement Training Academy started in 2020 as the first academy on an HBCU campus. It was conceived in response to a growing need for minority participation and access to law enforcement opportunities. The academy tackles discussion of community, how police prevail, and where policing needs to improve. We also equip the students with the skills, practical application exercises, and mentorship to succeed as officers. The space promotes building trust between law enforcement and communities of color from the ground up. As the groundwork was laid for the academy, key stakeholders, Governor Parsons and Sheriff Betts, met to expand training to St. Louis County Sheriff deputies. Harris-Stowe State University was brought into the fold as a neutral learning space. The purpose was to market Harris-Stowe students who are interested in continuing their education while also pursuing a career in law enforcement.
I'm extremely happy that I decided to do the Harris-Stowe policing program because it has added some dimensions to my professional life. The training that we've learned has helped to broaden my skill level and give me a better understanding of just who I am as a law enforcement person and how I need to relate to the general public.
So the importance of having the training program on an HBCU campus is that minority students who may have not have been interested in policing before would see this program and say, hey, listen, maybe I can become a police officer and be introduced to this program as well.
Police officers choose their profession, law enforcement. But before they were officers, they were community members. They want what all community members desire, to be respected and heard. Recruits receive training in cultural competency, attend events, and engage with community around them. This is the first step in overcoming historical mistrust between police and the communities they serve.
It has changed the way that I look at how other people police. Being honest, being open, being more caring with the community, just being more in touch with the community. is how it's affected the way that policing has changed.
We have built upon the lessons learned over the last 10 years and will continue to adapt to the future ahead. This program is a commitment to mutual respect, empathy, and accountability for students, law enforcement, and the greater community. As we look to the future, it is important to remember this is a journey for Harris-Stowe, for the St. Louis Metropolitan Police Department, and the St. Louis region. To learn more about Harris-Stowe Urban Policing Program, visit HSSU.edu. And to learn more about the St. Louis Metropolitan Police Department, visit slmpd.org.